A man came out of his home to admire his new truck. To his puzzlement, his 3-year-old son was happily hammering dents into the shiny paint of the truck. The man ran to his son, knocked him away, and hammered the little boy's hands into pulp as punishment, although the doctor tried desperately to save the crushed bones. When the father calmed down, he rushed his son to the hospital. When the boy woke up from the surgery and saw his bandaged stubs, he finally had to amputate fingers from boy's both hands. He innocently said, "Daddy, I'm sorry about your truck." Then he asked, "But when are my fingers going to grow back?" The father went home and committed suicide. One who cannot benefit by patience will die of grief and excitement. Think about this story. Or you wish to take revenge? Think first before you lose your patience with someone you love. The next time someone steps on your feet, trucks can be repaired. Broken bones and hurt feelings often can't. Too often we fail to recognize the difference between the person and the performance. We forget that forgiveness is greater than revenge. People make mistakes. We are allowed to make mistakes, but the actions we take while in a rage will haunt us forever. Think before you act. Pause and ponder. Be patient. Forgive and forget. Love one and all.